Spotify Music is one of the largest platforms that allows you to search for and listen to various types of music. Now, consider what it would be like if you could get paid and earn money online simply by listening to music. I mean, isn't that amazing? It doesn't matter if you're from India, the Philippines, the United States, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, or any other country in the world. You may start earning money right now by simply listening to Spotify Music, and you can cash out your earnings quickly. You can earn $260, $460, or even a large payment of over $900. And guess what? You can do this as many times as you like. You don't need any followers, you don't even need to refer anyone to this platform, and you don't need any money to get started because this is completely free. All you need is a phone or a computer, and I will show you a few bonus numbers in this video that will help you double your money over other people. So make sure you stick around and watch this video all the way through because I'll also show you a bonus website that can help you earn money from home just by watching YouTube. Before we go further to this video, welcome to Money Methods, where we will teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Today I'm going to show you how to listen to Spotify Music, or at least some music on a Spotify platform, and get paid for it. Throughout this video, I'll walk you through how to set up your Spotify account, which is completely free, and you can do it on your phone, computer, or maybe both. I'll lead you through this secret website that no one else knows about. After you've set up your Spotify account, you can just get paid to listen to music. I've never seen anyone in the history of YouTube talk about this before, so make sure to pay attention and learn everything. Right now, I just want to show you the earning potential on these websites by simply listening to music. You can get up to $800 in pounds real quick. I just want to show you 800 pounds sterling. We will then convert that into US dollars, so you can legally owe over $1,000 easily by simply listening to music. Once again, this is a brand new website and I'll show you everything. You can start by going to open.spotify.com. If you have an Android phone, you can now search for Spotify on the Google Play Store. Make sure to download the correct app as it has over 20 million reviews. Many people are currently adoring this app and using it every day to listen to music. But the amazing thing is that no one is aware of the secret website where they can earn money simply by listening to Spotify Music. If you have an iPhone and an Android, you can just go to the App Store and download Spotify. But if this is your first time using Spotify, you must first create a free account, which is entirely free. You can just simply click on this link and then click on the sign up for free button to get to this page where you can sign up for free. To begin listening, you can either sign up using a Facebook account or you can sign up using your email address and confirm that email and put in a password and then give your profile username, which can be, well, whatever you want, as well as your date of birth and your gender. Then click on this "I'm not a robot" and sign up for your free account. You may now go into your Spotify account and see your profile right here. Once you've completed the registration process, the first thing you notice is that there is so much music to listen to on Spotify, and it is divided into so many different categories. And see which one you should focus on that's going to pay you the most money. So for example, if you want to listen to this music, you can just click on this image and they'll be able to start playing it, or you can click on this play button right here to start listening to the music. But one thing I'll show you is that you can actually create a playlist. As you can see, you want to click on this that says create playlist. When you click on it, you'll be able to create a brand new playlist which will generate a lot of passive earnings every day. Now I'll teach you how to do that in just a moment. But first, I want to show you the hidden website where you can sign up to become a music curator and get paid for merely listening to music. Keep watching and I'll reveal the name of this website in just a moment. Essentially, you can become a music curator by first listening to Spotify Music and then creating a playlist from it. Now that you've arranged all of your music into a playlist, which I'll show you in a moment, and to show which is really important, you can submit them to this website. You can notice here, earn regular money through submission, that you will be rewarded for every song playlist you submit on this website. The more playlists you submit and the more submission you make, the more money you'll earn on this website. So now you can see how many submissions we need to earn money. Basically, if you do last 200 submissions, you will not be paid. You can get a lot of more information right here on their website. After completing at least 200 submissions, you will be able to start earning money on this platform, And you can see here the highest earning is 2,500 submissions, and you can earn 800 pounds by that on this website, which converts to over $1,000 US. And you can just repeat this process over and over again. This is a brand new website that is super exciting and super beginner friendly that anyone can do by simply listening to music. All you have to do is go to musicgateway.com. One thing to keep in mind is that this could be a somewhat difficult sign-up process. I'll teach you how to fill out all of the forms you'll need to start making money, so stick around and watch to the end to avoid missing out on these important details. You can go down below and look for any button that says Join for free. Simply click on this button and you'll be taken to these pages. This page says Curator, Influencer, and Playlist Submission Application. They'll provide you all of your money on time because they're so professional. When you scroll down below, you'll see the question, are you a Spotify curator? As you can see, we're going to concentrate on Spotify in this video and show you how to listen to different types of music, arrange them in a playlist, and submit them. All you have to do is listen to Spotify music and arrange it into different playlists, then submit them and get paid. Let's get started. If interested, please fill in the form below and we will be in contact soon. Scroll down to see the whole form, so the first thing you can do is enter your email address in the first box and then the curator name, which is your complete name, in the second box, and then we'll focus on Spotify. From there, you can simply go ahead and click on Spotify right now because it'll be the quickest way to get started. So if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see a link to a playlist channel, station, or blog. In a moment, I'll teach you how to do it on Spotify and how to grab your playlist link and paste it right here on this box to apply for an account. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you loved this video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. On the following question, roughly how many entries do you receive each week? Remember that in order to start getting paid, you must have at least 200 submissions. Because if you have less than 200, well, you will only be paid $0. When you're answering these questions, it'll depend on how much time you have, how hard you work, how many songs you want to listen to, and how many playlists you want to submit. But make sure it's at least 200 to get paid. If you want to make it a full-time income, I recommend doing 1,000 submissions and start making a lot of money on this website. From there, you can decide what genre do you accept or what different kinds of music categories do you accept, such as pop, dance, hip-hop, rock, jazz, soul, and so on. The more categories you have, the more money you can make on this website. And I'll show you how to find different kinds of genres of music on Spotify in just a moment. Next, follow Music Gateway on Instagram is a question where you can just say no. It doesn't matter. Finally, if there's nothing more you'd like to say or want them to know, we can just leave this blank. And finally, with the question, do you want to become a Music Gateway member or as guest? Choose Music Gateway member. Choose continuous guest. And simply enter your first and last names as well as your country. You can choose from any country because they accept people all around the world. Simply enter your username and password, then click the submit button. So that's essentially all you have to do to create a free account and submit your application. Once you've been approved by this website, you can begin listening to music and submitting your submissions to various playlists to begin earning money. Now we'll go on to a very important step, and I'd like you to return to the Spotify app on your phone or computer, where we'll discover different kinds of music and combine them into different playlists to submit for money. From there, I'd like you to look at their various categories that are relevant to Music Gateway, such as pop music. So go back to Spotify and select the search button, and I want you to search for pop music. When we click the search button, it will display music that is connected to the pop category. If you click on See All, you'll be able to find all of the pop music, and there will be hundreds of thousands of different kinds of music to choose from. What I want you to do is to make a whole new playlist. I'd like you to click on the Create Playlist button. Your playlist will be given a name such as pop genre. Simply click on the Create button to get started. Take a look at this. You've successfully created a new Spotify playlist. So for the time being, you might add various music from these genres to your playlist. One of the coolest Spotify features is that if you scroll down below, it will automatically recommend different songs based on the pop genre. So right now, I'd like to hit the add button for all of the music listed under recommendations. I'd like you to put them all in your genre playlist. Take a look at this. I just do everything like this and over 10 songs are playing right now. Simply click on the Join Library and then on the pop genre under the playlist area. I simply click on this right here, which is the playlist I just created just now with over 22 songs. And that's all you have to do. Look at this, that's one submission. You'll need more than 200 to start getting paid, and you'll have to spend a considerable amount of time listening to different music and creating a playlist to submit them. So the next thing I'd like to show you is how to pull a link from your playlist. So when I click on the three-dot icon right here, you can see that you can easily copy the playlist link by clicking on it. When you click on this, the link to your playlist will be copied. That's all you have to do, and you can just repeat the process by searching for and creating 4 different playlists, each of which you can add music to with each submission of the playlist, allowing you to earn money on this website. This is how you can simply listen to music and keep being paid. And that's it! Now here's the part you've all been waiting for, the bonus website, where I will be showing you how to make money from home watching YouTube. The link is available in the description below, but currently only accepting US applicants. So, as you can see here, you can get a work from home YouTube job starting at $15 per hour. They are currently looking for applicants from the United States. So if you're from there, make sure you apply through the link in the description. Now, positions are limited, so make sure you act quickly. So if you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.